Welcome to the Veterinary Marketing Podcast, where it's all about helping your veterinary practice attract, engage, and retain clients. Broadcasting a new podcast every Monday from sunny Southern California, here's your host, Brandon Bashirs.
Hey there, everybody. Welcome to episode number 216 and a half of the Veterinary Marketing Podcast. I hope you're having a wonderful day. In today's episode, we're going to give you a quick little tip that'll help you to keep your Facebook ad account in compliance. Because if you're running ads at all, you probably are running into this issue, and it's going to be very helpful for you. Before we begin, I'd like to mention a couple of things. First, if you haven't done so already, be sure to subscribe on iTunes, Google Play, Spotify, wherever you get your podcasts. And then also join the Facebook group, The Veterinary Marketing Nerds. If you go to facebook.com/groups/The Veterinary Marketing Nerds, you can request to join. It's completely free. And we're actually running a 10-week workshop right now, so check that out. And it's completely free to join. So head on over there, facebook.com/groups/The Veterinary Marketing Nerds, and you'll be able to request to join for free there. All right. I'd also like to mention this episode is being sponsored by two websites by Brad Haven. We have usedvetequipment.com and newvetequipment.com. For over 8 years now, usedvetequipment.com has been helping vets buy and sell used equipment. You can save money when you buy used veterinary equipment, everything from cages, kennels, pumps, x-ray equipment, lasers, ultrasounds, dental equipment, surgery equipment, lab equipment from Abaxis, IDEX, and Heska, tables, tubs, and sinks. If you have anything you're looking to sell, head on over to usedvetequipment.com, where they bring the buyer and seller together. Also, if you're looking for new equipment with amazing warranties, check out newvetequipment.com. where they show you the price up front. They have dental x-ray equipment, digital x-ray equipment, ultrasound equipment, LED surgery lighting, surgery tables, full-size autoclaves. When you go to newvetequipment.com, you'll clearly see the price on every item for sale. You'll also be able to check out the warranty so that you can buy without regret. At newvetequipment.com, they show you the price and give you a great warranty. All right, so let's jump into today's episode. One thing that I'm seeing with clients' accounts in Facebook that I think is really kind of just difficult is that there are a ton of Facebook ad rejections that are happening. And Facebook is just really investing into automated systems that are review systems and ad policy systems. And so we're getting ridiculous violation of policy reasons. Like, for example, MLM and business opportunity policy violations when we're just creating job ads or just all kinds of crazy things. And so if you're getting any Facebook ad rejections, my suggestion is that you, as soon as you get those either duplicated and resubmitted, that you make sure that you're deleting your ads that are not approved. And the reason for that is if you ever get your ad account disabled, which happens just as a result of all of these automated systems, when you go to get a review of that, if you have a bunch of ads that are not in compliance, you have a less likely chance that your ad account will get reinstated. So be sure to delete the ads that get rejected or disapproved so that when, in the event that your ad account did get disabled, if you try to challenge that, you're going to be able to have a higher chance for reinstatement. Hope that makes sense. I think it's really, really important so that you're not left high and dry without an ad account. But if you have any questions, comments, or need help with anything, don't hesitate to reach out, and I'll see you on the next episode. Have a great one, everybody. Bye.